18 by 24. What is the most efficient way to design it? And
where did our paper come from?
this came from the Alabama State Council on the Arts, and we're very, very grateful. And it is they are some overruns from a wonderful project done by two professors from the University of Alabama named Al Sella and Dwight Edens. And Dwight Edens is a poet and Al Sella is an artist. Al Sella is deceased now. Dwight Edens, I believe, is still alive. And they did a huge run of this wonderful portfolio, and we are interested in using some of the imagery and some of the poetry and using some of the paper to help young students become better artists and better understand the world through the art making that they do on this wonderful art bus that is being created by the Jefferson County School District.
Awesome.
How's that?
Awesome. That's awesome.
Get out?
Got it.
Oh, okay.
Coming up.
I wasn't sure if you were trying to get out or...
No. I'm videoing coming up the stairs into the lovely studio space.
Hello! COVID safe.
COVID safe with our fan and
Fans and our
our open window.